Vinyl plank flooring has become one of the most popular flooring choices for modern homes. But not all vinyl planks are created equal. Before you spend your money, it's important to understand what really matters and what mistakes can cost you later. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about choosing the best vinyl plank flooring, so you can make a smart and confident decision. Why vinyl plank flooring is so popular. Vinyl plank flooring is loved for its ability to mimic real wood while offering better durability and moisture resistance. It works perfectly in living rooms, bedrooms, kitchens, and even areas where traditional wood would fail. In 2026, vinyl plank flooring continues to evolve with more realistic textures, improved stability, and enhanced comfort underfoot. Its versatility makes it a practical choice for both modern apartments and family homes. Understanding plank quality and thickness. One of the biggest mistakes buyers make is focusing only on price and ignoring quality. Thickness plays a major role in how vinyl plank flooring feels and performs. Thicker planks provide better stability, reduce noise, and hide minor imperfections in the subfloor. Choosing the right thickness ensures your floor feels solid, comfortable, and long-lasting. Wear layer matters more than you think. The wear layer is what protects your vinyl plank flooring from scratches, stains, and daily wear. A stronger wear layer means better resistance to furniture movement, foot traffic, and long-term use. In high-traffic homes, a higher quality wear layer is essential to keep the floor looking new. This is one feature you should never compromise on. Click system and installation quality. The locking system of vinyl plank flooring affects both installation and durability. A strong click system ensures tight joints, reduces gaps, and prevents movement over time. Poor quality locking mechanisms can lead to lifting edges and visible seams. A reliable installation system saves you money on repairs and replacement in the future. Water resistance and stability. Not all vinyl plank flooring offers the same level of water resistance. High-quality options are designed to handle spills, humidity, and moisture without warping or swelling. This makes them suitable for kitchens, hallways, and even bedrooms in humid climates. Water resistance is one of the main reasons homeowners choose vinyl over traditional wood. Design, texture, and finish choices. Modern vinyl plank flooring comes in a wide range of designs, from natural oak looks to contemporary stone textures. Matte finishes and realistic embossing are trending in 2026, creating floors that look and feel more authentic. Choosing a design that matches your interior style ensures your flooring enhances the entire space. Maintenance and long-term value. One of the biggest advantages of vinyl plank flooring is easy maintenance. Simple cleaning routines keep it looking fresh without expensive treatments. When chosen correctly, vinyl plank flooring offers excellent long-term value with minimal upkeep. Low maintenance makes it ideal for busy households and modern lifestyles. Vinyl plank flooring can be a smart, stylish, and durable investment, but only if you choose wisely. Understanding quality, wear layers, installation systems, and design options helps you avoid costly mistakes. Watching this before you buy can save you money, time, and regret. The right vinyl plank flooring doesn't just improve your home, it improves how you live in it.